Welcome to your first step to the bar, starting legal practice in Telangana High Court. This is your step-by-step guide to enrolling as an advocate, understanding your rights to practice, and staying compliant with Bar Council of India regulations. Designed to empower young advocates with legal clarity and confident career direction, let's begin your journey into the world of legal practice. Step 1. Complete your LLB degree. To begin your legal journey, you must hold either a 3-year LLB degree after graduation or a 5-year integrated law degree like BA LLB, BBA LLB, or BSc LLB after higher secondary education. This legal education builds your foundation in the Indian legal system and equips you with critical thinking and advocacy skills. Importantly, your law degree must be from a college or university approved by the Bar Council of India. Degrees from non-BCI approved institutions are not recognized, and you won't be eligible to enroll as an advocate or practice in courts, including the Telangana High Court. Step 2. Apply for provisional enrollment with the Bar Council of Telangana. This step is your official entry into the legal profession under Section 24 of the Advocates Act, 1961. Begin by applying online through the Bar Council of Telangana's official portal, then submit your documents in person. You'll need your LLB degree, marks memos, academic certificates, Aadhaar card, passport-sized photos, proof of birth and local address, a character certificate from 2 senior advocates, and a signed affidavit on stamp paper. Don't forget your category certificate if applicable, and the enrollment fee payment receipt. The total fee is $750, covering both state and BCI charges. Submit your documents at the Bar Council office located within the Telangana High Court premises, near gate number 2 in Hyderabad. Step 3. Get provisionally enrolled and start practicing. Once your enrollment is approved, you're officially allowed to practice law in the Telangana High Court, subordinate courts, and tribunals. As a provisionally enrolled advocate, you can represent clients, argue in courts across India, and take up cases independently. You're also expected to work under a senior advocate for hands-on training and professional guidance. Importantly, you must appear for the All India Bar examination within 2 years to continue your practice without restrictions. Step 4. Appear for the All India Bar Examination, or AIBE. Conducted by the Bar Council of India, this exam is mandatory for all provisionally enrolled advocates to obtain a certificate of practice. You must clear the AIBE within 2 years of your enrollment, with multiple attempts allowed during this time. It's an open book exam with 100 multiple choice questions and no negative marking. Subjects include constitutional law, IPC, CPC, CRPC, evidence, and more. Once you pass, you'll receive your certificate of practice from the BCI, giving you the right to practice in any court in India, including high courts and with additional qualifications, even the Supreme Court. What if you don't clear the AIBE within 2 years? Your provisional enrollment will be suspended, and you'll be barred from practicing law until you pass the exam. However, once you clear it in a later attempt, your right to practice will be reinstated, and you can continue your legal journey. Additional guidelines for practicing in the Telangana High Court. Once enrolled, you must apply for a Telangana High Court Advocate Code number through the High Court Registry. You'll typically need your Bar Council enrollment certificate, the official application form, passport-sized photos, Aadhaar and PAN copies, and in some cases, a recommendation letter from a senior advocate. This code is mandatory to appear and file cases before the High Court. Your LLB takes 3 or 5 years, after which you become eligible to enroll. Bar Council enrollment takes about 2 to 4 weeks, granting you a provisional advocate ID. You can start practicing immediately in all courts, including the Telangana High Court. You must register for the AIBE within 2 years of enrollment. Once you pass, your certificate of practice is issued within 2 to 3 months, giving you permanent rights to practice law across India. Do you need a senior advocate? While it's not legally mandatory, working under a senior advocate for 1 to 2 years is strongly recommended. It gives you practical experience in case drafting and court procedures, helps you build your client base, and most importantly, offers valuable mentorship to sharpen your advocacy skills and confidence in the courtroom. Can you fight cases before clearing the AIBE? Yes, once you're provisionally enrolled, you're fully authorized to appear and argue cases in any court. However, to continue your legal practice beyond 2 years, you must clear the All India Bar examination. If not, your practice license will be suspended until you pass the exam. Final documents you'll receive include your provisional Bar Council enrollment certificate and Bar Council ID card. For practicing specifically in the Telangana High Court, you'll also need the High Court Advocate Code, optional but essential for High Court cases. After clearing the AIBE, you'll be issued your certificate of practice, confirming your permanent right to practice law. Additional suggestions for young advocates: join local bar associations like the Hyderabad Bar or High Court Advocates Association. Participate in workshops, seminars, and court practice sessions to enhance your skills. Maintain a court diary and portfolio of legal drafts, and keep detailed records of your casework. Leverage legal research tools like SCC Online, Menupatra, and Indian Canoon to stay updated and informed. Empower your legal journey with confidence. Whether you're stepping into the courtroom for the first time or preparing for the AIBE, let clarity, integrity, and thorough preparation guide your path to advocacy. Pro Legal Minds is here to support and mentor you every step of the way. For more insights, personalized guidance, or mentoring, call us at 949-451717, email hello@prolegalminds.com, or visit prolegalminds.com. Follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube to stay connected.